to celebrate World Environment Day, today we are going to do some special activity together. We are going to use a recycled cardboard box and also the little things that we can easily find outside like the flowers or the leaves or the little twigs, and we are going to make a butterfly wings. So let's take a look. So before we start our activity of making a butterfly wing costume, let me just go over some of the stuff that I prepared. Earlier, I went out for a walk to the mountain and then I picked these leaves and some twigs and also some of the other leaves with flower petals. Now, it's important to remember that you pick up these petals that's already on the ground but not actually pick up the flowers. And some of these weeds that it's okay for us to pick, that's fine. But make sure that you don't just pick up the fresh flowers because we do not want to hurt the environment. And I've got some white blank paper because some of the other colors that you might want to put on, or some of the pictures that you might want to throw in color and add on, you can do that. And I also have some other interesting text papers here, and scissors and glues, and this is a paper tape. And also I've got some color pens and pencils as well. When you're using the scissors, be careful because scissors are very sharp and pointy. So make sure that there is a grown-up who's giving you a hand. Okay? So let's begin. The first step of what we are going to do is we are going to draw a shape of butterfly wings. From here, like this. And then, like this. Not exactly the same shape. Well, we'll figure that out a little bit later. And once we finish the sketching by using the pencil, now we are going to use a little marker so that we can make it a little more visible. And don't be afraid to make a mistake because we are going to cut off the wings later by using a pair of scissors. So if we make a little mistake, then we can always cut that part off. So don't worry. Don't be afraid to make a mistake. It's okay. Because no one is perfect. I think it's about to do it. Then now, I like color pink, so I'm going to make the second layer here. Big pink, isn't it? And then I'll just put a little bit of the pink around the edge of the wings. Okay, I think that's about to just do it. Then now is going to use a pair of good scissors to cut the wings off. Be careful with the scissors because they're sharp and pointy. So let's cut some wings up right now. Now is the fun part. The fun part is that where we can just glue all these beautiful leaves and flowers and twigs to make it interesting butterfly wings. So let's do this. Let's totally do this. Maybe before you glue this up, maybe you want to just place some of the leaves and the flowers just to see where you want to really stick to them, because once you stick to them, you cannot. It's not easy to take them off. So you might want to just put these leaves, place them on the wings to see where is the place that you really want to glue them on. Oh, some big leaves. Nice. Oh, these are perfect to maybe put it as a little antennas. Butterflies got two antennas. Like leaves here. So here. Just gonna scatter the leaves, petals all around just to see what it's going to look like, and then I can make up my mind before I can finalize my design for these wings. Oh, I just had a great idea. You know what we can do? We can actually make some interesting shape with the leaves too. So if the leaves here, I'm going to make it into a little heart shape because everybody loves heart. See, I've got a little leafy heart. Maybe I'll put it in the middle.
Looks nice, doesn't it? Ooh. It looks nice, doesn't it? Ooh.
And around the heart, I'm going to put some nice yellow flower petals I found before. I wish I could put more petals, but I could only find a little bit. Doesn't that look nice? Oh, wait a minute, there's one more heart, isn't it? So let's put more petals down there as well so he doesn't feel lonely. More petals coming right up. Okay, then let's move on and put more things on it. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to play a little bit of trick here. And this trick is really easy. It makes everything so much easy and quick. I'm just going to play them like this, line them up. Too long, then it's not easy to stick something else. I'm gonna put it like this a little bit. Some glue here. Nice glue here. Oh, looks like a nice. And then here. this stick? Ah, look, we've got leaves. Let's put the leaves on here. Some color pencil because someone I know, she said she likes color blue. And since I don't have a color paper, I'm gonna make one just by using blue color. This is dark blue, so maybe I want some sky blue as well, just to make it a little bit more interesting. And then when you mix two different colors, it always creates more interesting color. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use a pair of scissors and then make a little flower. And I've got one blue flower to put. But I've got 3 more identical colors, so I'm going to color this as well. Maybe I will mix different colors again, because when you mix some different colors, you never know what new colors you might come across, and it's always nice to find out. Just a little bit of fun. Okay, so we're gonna stick these up, but if you only stick these up, that's not going to be interesting with it. So what should we do? Oh, we've got white flowers that we can put it on top of this. That would make it interesting, wouldn't it? Yeah, it would. So first thing first, let's use the glue to stick these up, but choose the place you want to put it up. Maybe like here, and then maybe like yeah, because the top wings are all fully empty at the moment, so we want to fill more in over there. And then, the white ones are very small. Tiny little petal where we want to put the glue on, but no, it's okay. And this one, because my fingers is sticky from using the glue earlier, it wants to stick to my finger instead of the wings. And when that happens, the trick is go and wash your hands. Stick these up here as well. Okay, we'll put this up. And to do that, we're gonna need a bit of paper again. Paper tape. So I'm gonna use a little bit of paper tape here. And then, do I have a little bit more of this beautiful purple flower? Yes, I do. And now what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna put these two on the other side too. So the other side doesn't feel like it's been left out. Like this. Okay. And then, hey, this one is an interesting leaf. Oh, that's really nice smell too. I wonder if it's edible. Let's put it up here as well. Press it down and then let go. That's a nice catchphrase, isn't it? Press it down, then let go. I can
really get used to that one. Press it down. Let go. Then let's put some long leafy ones as well. Long leafy ones are awesome because they take up so much space. So it's bonus. Nice and quick. Fills up the space. Ta-da! And then let's put another one. It's nice now too. And then again, you press it down, and then when you think it's stuck, then you let go. I think that should probably do my wings now, although we still have a lot more that we could use. Maybe I will draw a little bit of heart here. One more heart here too. One more heart here too. Because this butterfly is all about love. Bright yellow is it. Maybe I will put this little twirly patterns over here and there. And then, because I don't like empty spaces, maybe my favorite color pen again. Put just some pink dots around just to lighten it up a bit. And then maybe for some other space fillers, you might want, ooh, that's interesting looking too. Maybe I will just make a bit of just lines, wiggly lines all around. Just for a little bit of fun. Right here and there. Just to fill the spacing. Because just... Ooh. This is fun bit. Then, if you still think it feels empty, then maybe you can actually color in a bit because it's fun. There's a bit of color here, a bit of color there. And then, just we don't want to waste all these leaves, so let's just put a little bit more leaves before we finish, okay? We're almost done, almost done. We're almost done. Ding, ding. Press down, let go. Let's see if we can do it quickly. Let's press it down and let go. And then the wings are done. Then we have one last bit left, which is we pick nice twigs here. So I'm going to choose, let's see, this one looks good, these two look good. And these are going to be the antennas of the butterfly. And, oh, look, the butterfly wings. We're gonna flip it around a little bit just to stick these two antennas. Then now you have your butterfly wings. And how you can play with this one is on the back side. If your parents can just put the two strings from here, top to bottom, and another string top to bottom, then you can actually put it in your bag like a bag, and then you can pretend that you are a butterfly. So, to celebrate the world's Environment Day, we did a special activity of making a butterfly wing costume by using a recycled cardboard box and some of the leaves and flowers that we picked from the outside. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you try making this and have fun with it. See you next time!